Hello boys and girls. I will show you how to start planning your Collagraph print template. We talked about a couple of different things and you'll want to show those things on your planning. So first start off with writing your name on your paper and your grade. This will be our planning page. We talked about two different types of shapes, organic, the curvy, free-flowing shapes, and geometric with straight edges and angles. And then we also talked about symmetry. So you'll take your rectangle. This is what you will be gluing or sticking your pieces for your Collagraph print on so you can print it. What you need to do is in the left corner, draw the letter A. And on that same corner of the paper on the other side, so there's an A here, there should also be an A here. So when you look at it, this corner that I'm holding has an A written on both sides. And then you also need to write your name on the white side. The first step is drawing out your design. So I'm going to trace this 2 different times, holding it in the middle. And you'll be experimenting with different shapes in your squares. And you'll choose your favorite design that you will then use for your final. One design has to be symmetrical. So I'm going to draw a dotted line from this left corner to the right top corner. And this is corner A, just like I have A in this corner, and this is going to be A as well, in the bottom left corner of each design. So I drew a dotted line, and I want to create one design that has the same shapes on this side as if I were to fold it over. So you can actually fold your paper if it helps you imagine that. But I'm just going to start with a square. I should have a ruler. So I can draw straight edges. And I'm going to draw to that corner and then go down. You need to have at least one shape touching the sides of all of your squares. So this side is touched, this side is touched, so that's good. I'm going to do another shape. I'm going to do a triangle on this edge. And I should use a ruler. Have fun drawing different shapes, and you can use geometric shapes or you can use organic shapes, whatever you want, and you can combine them if you'd like. We want to have a balance of negative and positive shapes, and so the shapes take up the space, so that's positive space. The space around the shapes is negative, so we want to make sure we have enough variety of shapes. Maybe I'll do this one, a squiggle, an organic shape here, do an organic shape here. I'm going to do a circle on this line here. Just have fun spacing out your shapes so you have a nice variety. And I'm going to do another square up here. Rectangle here that goes up towards this corner. Same thing with this one, it's going to go towards that corner. And do I have any big sections of negative space where I don't have any shapes? I see a big empty space here and here, so maybe I'll add another triangle and another triangle. You can see that this line of symmetry is evident because we have the same shapes on the opposite sides. Squiggle, organic shape, organic shape. On your next one, you can do a line of symmetry as well, or you can just experiment with different shapes, but you have to have at least one shape that touches all sides of your square. So maybe on this one I want to start with a circle. And a triangle, maybe that actually looks kind of like a sun. Do some triangles, and you can draw sections on this line of symmetry as well. I'm going to do some more squiggles. And I'm going to do a diamond triangle shape like this, so it looks like a diamond. This is just to give you an idea of the spacing of your objects and what you want to have for each one. Again, if you have big empty spaces, you want to fill those in with some sort of shape. Have fun sketching and designing.